Hello and welcome to part 2 of the Beginner's Guide to Rock Singing. Yesterday I covered forward placement and we're going to continue with that forward placement throughout this course. And I recommend that you choose one song and stick to the same song throughout the course so that you can track your progress. And then you can also compare how you sound at the end of the course to how you sounded at the beginning. Now, part 2 is for people who have completed part 1. So if you haven't already completed part 1 of the Beginner's Guide to Rock Singing, then I recommend that you hit this card that's going to come up round about here. I'm also going to put it in the description. Okay, so what we're going to do here is a continuation from yesterday. Yesterday we used the sound ni, and we're going to continue that sound ni. But the exercise is going to be slightly different. It's going to help you to get control over a more melodic type of exercise, which is going to help you when you're singing melodies in rock songs. So rock covers everything from metal, punk, grunge, grindcore. I don't know why grindcore came to my mind right there. Emo, indie as well. We have this kind of sound in indie music. What have I missed out? There'll be lots of subgenres that I've missed out, but it covers all of those. So we're going to start down here for those people with slightly lower voices, and we're going to use this pattern. Ni. And the trick is to go for the buzzy sound and the buzzy feeling. So when it gets higher, you don't want to be using this kind of sound. Because that isn't the right kind of sound for this rock sound that I'm talking about here. Of course, there are always exceptions, and there are singers, particularly female singers, who use that type of sound in their rock music with their bands, but that's not what we're going for here. So here we go. Ni. If it feels too low, rather than trying to reach down with your throat, that's wrong. Go into your fry. Okay, the fry is actually a register, and it's that kind of croaky sound underneath your chest voice, lower than your chest voice. So when it gets too low, go into that sound rather than trying to reach down, which won't help you. Ni. And by going into fry, you will expand your range lower. We need to work on our full range, not just those high bits, the exciting, sexy bits, the full range. So in part one, I did mention that we don't want to pull our chest high and singing high chest voice. We are creating a mixed technique, and we also don't want to squeeze our throat muscles. So if you find that you're squeezing your throat muscles, stop and just go as far as you can. Go a little bit farther than you think you can and relax your throat muscles, and that will help you. So something that I'm going to add to my videos is I'm going to be talking about the t-shirts that I wear, because I pretty much always wear a band t-shirt in these videos. So today's t-shirt is a band called The Meffs. The Meffs are a two-piece punk band. I mainly wear t-shirts by punk bands because that's what I'm really into, punk. So I'll mainly be wearing those kinds of t-shirts, but I do wear other types as well. So the Meffs are a two-piece punk band. This is actually a limited edition t-shirt that they sold at Rebellion Festival, as you can see. So I don't know if it's going to come out backwards it probably is going to come out backwards in the video. But if they have some left, you'll be able to go along to their website. So the Meffs are very popular. They've been around for a few years. They're actually quite new in terms of the punk scene. So punk has been around since 1976, officially since 1976. So they're actually quite new to the punk scene, and they have very, they talk about social issues, a little bit about political issues, but mainly social issues and their own experiences. So they are Lily and Lewis. Lily is the singer and Lewis is the drummer. Lily also plays guitar. Go and check them out. I will put the link in the descriptions. So if you would like me to feature your band, or if you're a solo artist, it doesn't matter what genre you are, not just punk, not just rock. I mean, probably only rock singers are watching this. But if you would like me to feature you or your band, put the link to your website or your music, your merchandise in the comments. And if I like what I hear, I will buy a t-shirt and I will feature you in one of my videos so that we can help you reach more people, because I'm here to help singers and I want to help you guys as much as I can. Okay, if you have any questions, please join my private WhatsApp group, my private WhatsApp coaching group. You'll also see the link in the descriptions. I can't answer your individual questions about your technique and your singing and what you're finding difficult in the comments. I can no longer do that. So join my WhatsApp group. You can message me 7 days a week. 7, that's 5. 7 days a week. And I will respond to you and I will help you as much as I can. I look forward to seeing you in part 3. Stay hydrated. Ciao!